This video's looking a little orange, isn't it? I got orange curtains. I definitely need to change this. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, Cruelty Free Models, where we aim to promote and recognize the cruelty-free professionals in the fashion industry. We are going to be inspiring and educating not only others, but myself as well. As I've said before, I'm still on this journey, this cruelty-free journey. And of course, lastly but not least, is have a little fun. So yes, today's video is really just a basic video on the difference between vegan and cruelty-free beauty. In the industry, both of these terms are often used interchangeably, but they are so different. They couldn't be any more different. So it's important if you're on the journey or you're wanting to make the journey to become cruelty-free, that you recognize the differences here. Okay, you guys, so what is the main difference between cruelty-free and vegan cosmetics or beauty products? Vegan simply put means that the product does not contain any animals or animal byproducts in the product itself or any of the ingredients. So no animal derived ingredients are in the product. Take note, that does not mean that the product has not been tested on animals. That is the difference here between vegan and cruelty-free. Vegan cosmetics and beauty products don't contain any animal or animal derived ingredients. However, they may have been tested on animals. The testing process is different. Whereas in cruelty-free products, they have not been tested on animals. The finished product, the testing, the end testing has not been tested on animals. So you can rest assured that no animals have been harmed in the final product. However, there's always a catch, right? However, that does not mean that it doesn't contain any animals or animal byproducts. Some of these products may be lanolin. It could be, what is it called? Cholesterol. It could be retinol. It could be beeswax, So, this is why you definitely want to know your ingredients. Familiarize yourself with the different ingredient terminology, and always read your ingredients. So yes, that's the difference between the two. One, vegan does not contain any animals or animal byproducts, but it may have been tested on animals. Cruelty-free has not been tested on animals. However, it could contain any animals or animal byproducts. So it's always the best choice, obviously, to find products that are both cruelty-free and vegan. It can be difficult, but there are so many brands out there now, and here's a few here that you can check out. But if the question comes down to vegan or cruelty-free, I can't answer that, guys. I can't answer that for you. It really comes down to your beliefs and which one is more important to you, and also what makes sense, like what's available. For me here where I live, it's hard for me to find products that are both. Okay, so if you want to be absolutely sure that you are only using products that are vegan or cruelty-free, you need to visit sites by organizations such as PETA, the Vegetarian Society, what else? Obviously Leaping Bunny, and the Vegan Society, and Vegan Action. That's another one you can check out, where they list brands that are cruelty-free, vegan, and both cruelty-free and vegan. So definitely check those out. I'll leave links in the description below. You can also These are the organizations I just named. They actually have certification, so you can definitely trust what's on their site. But also some really good resources for you are that I love. They're like my handbook. They're like my Bible for cruelty free. Is the Ethical Bunny, Cruelty Free Kitty, and then of course you can always visit my website, which is crueltyfreemodels.com, for a list of brands that are cruelty free or vegan or both. So that concludes the end of this video. Like I said, this was just a very basic video for people that are just getting started in the cruelty-free lifestyle. So yeah, be sure to like this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and also check out all the links down in the description. There's a lot of valuable information there, okay? All right, you guys, I can't wait to see you in the next video.